I was actually scared कि यार मुझे boarding school में डाला जा रहा है. A lot of who Ishan is who I actually was. Like if I have the influence to influence one person, I have the power to influence everybody. Indian cinema is blurring the lines of language. All your genetic structure, your mind, the way you think, everything happens in the first age 0 to 6. My coding happened from the film.
Every child is special in their own way, and let's try and bring out the potential of that child, not necessarily conform them to what society wants. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the First 90%. Today we have a extremely special guest on our show, the one and only Darshil Safari. Welcome, Darshil.
Hi, how are you?
Very well. I cannot explain how excited I am to have you on this show. Tare Zameen Par is by far one of my favorite movies of all time, and I'll tell you more about it, but thank you for doing this.
Oh, thanks for having me, and excited to be here.
So, Darshil, I am a avid movie watcher, and I have literally rated about 1250 movies on IMDb, of which there are probably only 20-25 movies that I've rated 10 on 10. And Tare Zameen Par is, of course, one of them, because
Wow.
I absolutely loved your performance, especially in the movie. I think the movie works because of you and your performance. And I still remember, it's many, many years ago, but I still remember crying inconsolably when I watched that movie. So can you tell us how that movie came about, how you got that role, and how did you translate that opportunity into such a phenomenal performance?
The thing is, I was 9 when we shot the film. That's back in 2006. I was a dancer at Shamak Davar's dance company, and I used to love dancing. My family actually pretty early obviously realized that I have too much energy and I should invest it in some places. So they enrolled me in as many classes as possible. And then this is what happens, and the story has been said again and again, but I never get bored of it. So I was a dancer there, and I had my bunny teeth because of adenoids. This, I don't know if many people know. So there's adenoids is like a small bindi types that's behind your nose here, and it infects you. It infects your tonsils. It's a very typical condition where you have bunny teeth. You have like those swollen eyes types, and you're also sometimes allergic to like bread or like certain foods also. I was not allergic to anything, not that I knew of, but that's how I was. Like I was an adenoid patient as such. And फिर वो operation हुआ, and my tonsils were removed and stuff, and that's how my bunny teeth had actually ended up happening. So anyone who has adenoids has aada tera teeth. So yeah, this is something that people don't know actually. And having the time of my life. And what used to happen was, when we used to perform at Shamak Davar's Summer Funk, एक performance event होता था जहाँ पर उनके सारे batches perform करते थे at St. Andrews Auditorium. And actors would come. This used to be our like staple gold event. Like, you know, this is our main event, main attraction. One fine day, Amir sir comes, and I remember like when I was dancing, Shamak sir was saying something to him in his ear, pointing at me. So I was a little scared. I was thinking, कुछ complain हो रहा है क्या है? Because this I was very small, यार. I was known for my antics. वो जो एक brattiness होता है ना, एक ruckus creator on your in the dance troupe, so that used to be me. And I was the youngest also. तो बहुत मस्ती, center of attraction and मस्ती. So I was worried कि एक complain हो रहा है क्या? I blanked out for a bit, but then I said, छोड़ो, कोई डर नहीं है. Fearless. I sometimes try to tap into that mindset today. कि I want to be that fearless. कि करो अपना करो, कोई tension नहीं है. Be yourself. So I continued my dance. And then after that, घर पे the treatment really became amazing. I became the Rajkumar of my house. I don't know why. And I was actually scared कि यार मुझे boarding school में डाला जा रहा है. I kid you not, because it was
इतना प्यार क्यों मिल रहा है?
Yeah, and no, I'll tell you, because of my this मस्ती. तो घर पे ये बोला था already, ये topic conversation शुरू हो गए थे कि इसको boarding school भेजते हैं.
अच्छा.
Let's discipline the kid. उसका ये जो भी energy है सब बहुत फैल रहा है. तो now we need to now properly get him to become disciplined and independent. तो फिर मुझे लगा ये हो रहा है. Whereas actually I had gotten the call for the audition for the film. So there was a misunderstanding that was going on, and I was like, ठीक है. I was looking at everybody suspiciously. I was like, what's happening? कब जा रहा हूँ मैं? Dad का drawer खोला था एक बार check करने के लिए कि कुछ admission form तो नहीं मिल रहा है. All that, and then yeah, one fine day the audition happens. I mean, I was told that okay, that she'll be going for an audition. I didn't know what an audition meant. I thought that's the film shoot itself. Like it was a setup like this, and I used to think that ये shooting चालू है film की because scene enact करा रहे. So I was in a misunderstanding again. So I used to tell everybody in my school, I'm shooting a film. But actually I was not. And then one fine day, I got selected for the film. And my mother and my dad, they take me to their room and they're like, Darshil, you've been selected for the film. And I'm like, हाँ मतलब कब से वही तो चल रहा है. तो they're like, नहीं बेटा, sit down first. I was like, okay, because I used to jump on their bed too much. And memories, man. Then my parents said, yeah, but just by the way, you're not doing it. Bye. And this is left, and I was like, what just happened? Then cut to, there's a moment where we are at the principal's cabin. I'm standing there like some naughty student. Parents are sitting looking at me. Principal ma'am is looking at my parents. So I was like, okay, it's going to be a canner. Upset like there's no tomorrow. But I knew that, the kind of person I was, I would have gotten back to my life as usual. But then my principal at that moment says, why not? And trust me, it's been my story till today. Any project, any film, any play or any show, anything that I've done, one of my real life tuition teacher or a normal teacher or like my school teacher or a principal, anybody has been involved for some reason. They've had a hand in me doing that project or getting that project for the matter of fact. My school principal at that time, she said that, why not? This opportunity doesn't come every single day. You should explore it. Roz nahi aata hai. It's not compulsory ke academically ye karna hai. And for me, this is golden words to listen to. I was like, what's happening? I teared up in happiness. I was like, wow. I dramatically touched her feet and I looked at my parents. We're doing this. So yeah, majorly it's been my school and my college and my teachers who have,
and probably your parents as well.
of course. I mean, that goes without saying.
If Tare Zameen Par did not happen at the time that it happened, right? You've had, I would say, an unconventional childhood compared to most other people because you started working, so to speak, right from a young age and participated in so many extracurriculars, etc. How would your life have been different? Would it still be in the same direction? Would your parents would have encouraged you, or your interests and talents would still steer you in that direction, or it would become just like a regular normal child?
This is some alternate universe stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Because I always think about it.
Correct.
I mean, it's a haunting question also. कि क्या होता अगर नहीं होता तो, and that actually makes me learn. I do feel that there was before Tare Zameen Par, I do feel there was a performance in the arts thing in me. May it be dancing or may it be acting. I used to do plays तभी school में annual
But
concerts.
would that have happened after you became an adult or as a child?
No, I personally feel that I would have possibly gotten into. I would have done this as a side thing. I wouldn't be doing it as a main thing. Possibly, I don't know, because see, the thing is, until you've experienced it, you don't know. I mean, क्या हो सकता था?
Are you a single child?
No, I was younger sister.
Okay.
Who's actually my dadi ma. She's 5 years younger to me.
She's also in the creative field?
No, she's very shockingly, she's studying psychology. Where I keep telling her that you need to be studied, Morning, she's teaching at this age, 4 years younger to me, and she's teaching kids, and fantastic. I mean, when I'm seeing her, I do make fun of her. I give her that one look before leaving, that teacher, all that. But then after that, I'm really proud of her also, that, what she's doing at her age, I couldn't even dream of at my age. So, I keep telling her that, having an elder sibling helps. I try to take as much credit as possible. So, yeah, sister's also been one of the invisible supporting pillars.
So, one of the things you said is that if I was good, then maybe my parents would have sort of steered me in that direction. And but you were not just good; you were phenomenal in Tare Zameen Par. And I know you're trying to be modest, but
not trying to
you
be
were
modest.
also nominated for Best Actor for Filmfare for that role. Um, and you also said that you didn't have sort of an acting experience, or you didn't learn acting. So how did that role come about with? How did it become such a cult classic?
See, I have experienced this over the last how much of a time I've been in the industry. That um, there are characters written for you, and then there are characters that you automatically align with.
Hmm.
I feel this is what happened, and there are examples.
So which
of-
one? It was written for you, or you got
I
aligned
with it. I
How
aligned
how
with
did
it
that
because
happen?
I trust me. A lot of who Ishan is who I actually was.
Okay. In what ways?
In the naughtiest way possible. I was a brat. I had a creative sense. Like now, if Ishan was a painter or like an artist, I was more of a dancer, more of an expressing kind of a person. But I also had my own struggles in other ways, where I used to get a little bit of overwhelming, little pressure. Thoda used to get the better of me. Till today, it does sometimes, you know. So they used to be my struggles at that time.
Did you identify with the struggles at that age?
Absolutely. In fact, a lot of Ishan is me because I'll tell you, there's his room has a wall with all the scribbles and the doodles that he's done. A lot of that is done by me. You know, like Amol sir and Amir sir would come and they'd be like, take this chalk, draw what you want. And I drew a man with a star t-shirt.
Yeah.
This is what I had drawn. You'll see it in the film someday
Yeah.
if you can just like zoom in and see. That's me. I've drawn that stuff. The puzzle solving and like the curiosity of Ishan
Yeah.
was what I had actually connected with because I'm a curious guy. I'm actually overly indulgently curious as a person. So those kind of things and what I believe today that any character naturally playing that character जो भी है वो तुम्हारे लिए लिखा गया है some writer some directors that write a character knowing the person कि मुझे पता है ये मस्तीखोर है इसके लिए ऐसा कुछ लिखते हैं and some people write a मस्तीखोर character and they find someone कि अरे ये तो मस्तीखोर है
Acha.
so the second thing is what had happened with me and for the audience if they're seeing something which is natural which is aligned which is you know which you feel कि अच्छा ये तो वही तो इंसान है they relate to the personality
Yeah.
it tends to work. They relate with it more, they appreciate it more. So when I was doing it, I was still having a blast all along. There were so many times where the cameras were rolling, I didn't know. I do not want to mention the sequences. You'll see it in the film. The absolute raw sequences, like when I'm punished outside.
Yeah.
There's a
I
lot of
remember
times
that.
when the cameras were rolling and I was
not even aware.
Yes.
I see you're doing your own thing.
I'm doing my own thing. And that's happened till today. Trust me when I'm saying this. I was shooting a short film recently and I was sleeping and they were like, okay, let's record him sleeping. It's fun. And they put that in the film for some reason. So things like that, you know. They record it. So it's the naturalness of the movement that works.
Yeah.
For me, I remember one thing. The biggest learning that I've had is not to be conscious.
Yeah.
I'm speaking with you right now, trying to completely avoid the cameras, the people listening to me, everything. Of course, the people are listening to me, I know that. But I'm trying to have
a
a
conversation.
one-on-one with you, you know. I'm not making this, okay, this is for public, you know. This is for you and me just talking. Let's hope people can get something out of it. That's the idea. As an actor, you have to follow. At my age, adult. But when I was young, it's not easy for you to understand this. You will get conscious. You will feel a little bogged down. You feel scared. Arey, camera, it's pointing at you, man. I mean, it has a
Yeah.
big lens, and there are people holding it. People are looking at you, focusing. You'll be like, why is he looking at me like this? You know, तभी तो manual focus होता था. अभी auto हो गया है. तो तभी दे फोकसिंग कोई ऐसा टेप लगा रहा है कोई तुम पे लेजर मार रहा है दिखाने के लिए लाइट आ रहा है यहाँ पे डालो यू नो देर यूजिंग दोज लाइट मीटर्स टू शो क्या है तो यू विल बी लाइक ओके माइक लगा रहा है कोई एज अ किड दैट्स असॉल्ट
Yeah.
so the best thing to do is an environment which I will say I'm absolutely thankful and grateful for because if that environment was not given to me you would have seen a conscious very
Yeah. Unnatural.
unnaturally acting कर रहा है
Acting कर रहा है.
वाला space every time till today whenever I've been given an environment I know I've been happier in the performance that I've given and whenever there's been a thoda stressed environment and this that and then the performance becomes slightly strained
Yeah.
so as Ishan when I was playing that I was given an environment. Boss, enjoy. This is your playground. Uno खेलना Uno खेलेंगे. Games खेलना है Games खेलेंगे. Amir sir himself is a game fanatic. Chess, Brain Vita. He taught me all Rubik's Cube. I keep a Rubik's Cube with me every time. So all these things, aided to that performance. So all the credit that you're giving to me is actually I divide that credit with everybody. That guys, it's yours, y'all, because of the reason why I'm here. It's not me being modest. It's the truth.
No, I think your experience of that time is different from my experience because not just because you're in the movie, but also because of the age in which you were there, right? So your experience
9.
of that movie is as a child, and of course, as children, people can relate to it because it's so natural. But for me, the movie is really special, and I think it is one of those important moments where it helped me create the company that I'm running today, is because I had just finished college in 2007, and I had gone through 6 years of very tough times of studying for IIT 16, 18 hours a day. And I spent those 2-3 years first preparing for IIT, then not getting in, going through engineering college, really, really tough, right? And that movie showed me what has been lost. It's actually true. Like even today when I was watching that song once again, I had tears in my eyes because it's so real and special for me, for the entire generation of people who spent so much time, right? Studying for IIT, trying to get somewhere, and probably not exploring who we are as people, right?
Right.
And that just showed up in the movie. And at that point, I'm telling you this is completely real. 2007, I said कि boss, ऐसा नहीं होएगा, मेरे life में नहीं होगा, and I will try and make sure that it doesn't happen to anybody. Which is why at much later in life I started Raising Superstars, where we are saying that every child is special in their own way, and let's try and bring out the potential of that child, not necessarily conform them to what society wants.
Yeah.
So it's a pivotal moment for me
that's
in
amazing.
my life as well, right?
Oh, that's amazing. I mean, I'll tell you honestly because I've read a bit about this. All your genetic, structure and your mind and the way you think and everything, right from the first sound you've heard, from the first conversation that is being made, happens from age 0 to 6, right?
Yeah.
And उस वक्त क्या किया जाता है, say if you're an active kid, sometimes the kid is naturally active, naturally बहुत हो रहा है, like उसको
बहुत energy है, restlessness
naturally
है.
restlessness है, so you know that this energy needs to be expended, so you put them into some form of classes or some form of which is very relaxing, stretching, जो भी हो सकता है, possibly moving into further forms, and today you see you're the best ballet dancer in the world, because your coding has happened at that age. So the film for me, because I was 9, which is 3 years a little late, but my coding happened from the film.
Yeah.
Of course, my first 6 years was an
No, but
absolute
you were also
blur.
dancing, right?
That's what I was saying. That's what I was getting to. Like my first 6 years was a blur, but I was enjoying.
Yeah.
My approach was to have a party, have a blast. जो भी कर रहे हो, enjoy करके करो. डोसा खाने जा रहे हो, enjoy करना है डोसा खाने के लिए. As small as that.
And that comes out in your acting in the movie as well.
I don't know that happened, but then the coding took place in my life where I was like, oh wow, this is an absolutely intriguing world of filmmaking and storytelling, because like you said, it's an impact.
Yeah.
It created an impact. It made a change to society. It, at the end of the day, you want to help people. You want to make people live a better life. You want to set an example that, guys, this is how we can live. This is how positive it is. And that's the power of filmmaking. And that intrigued me. I was like, wow, ye karna hai. So, yeah.
So one of the things you mentioned earlier was that you've had a lot of your teachers, your tutors, professors, principals involved in a lot of your projects. I want to ask you, you did a film with Amir Khan, and you had a very early entry into Bollywood, so to speak. Have you been able to use industry connects better than, say, outsiders who come into the industry?
Industry connects with regards to
getting projects,
work? No.
Okay.
Because the thing is that you have to first figure out what you want to do and how you want to do in what. Now, it's just acting
Yeah.
on paper. It's not actually just acting.
Okay.
It is what in acting, boss. What are you good at? For example, I discovered after doing theater that I realized that I'm good at expressions. I'm good at expressions in acting. I'm not that good in my tone, maybe. I might become monotonous. So theater taught me how to learn how to vary my tones. So I was able to imbibe that into the films that I did after that, after doing theater. So after school, I went and told my father, as a hero banke, ke I'm taking a break. I don't want to do films. And my dad is like, you're stupid or what? Like, he's like, the momentum is with you. अच्छा सा काम मिल रहा है, सब खड़ा है, कर ले यार. I'm like, नहीं papa, the thing is, and the real reason was that I had missed a lot of my social life in school. Friends, hanging out, going for dinners, lunches, this, cricket,
Because you were always
football.
working.
Because not necessarily working as such, but I was more with myself. It was not compulsory that I was always working when there was a birthday party. Maybe I was just at home playing video games. Because I had just come from work possibly.
हाँ.
Like life became thoda different because I was, एक तो दूसरा the thing was that I was with adults.
Yeah.
तो थोड़ा वो भी मेरे माइंड में घूमता था कि यार ऐसा कुछ करना है. And that becomes थोड़ा strict space for yourself. So you are then thinking all the time with yourself, अच्छा, I want to do this, I want to do this, that. So the fun थोड़ा goes out. तो I had missed social life. तो ये डेटिंग वीटिंग पता नहीं था मुझे, व्हाट डज दिस मीन. तो डेटिंग मेरे को लगता था कि डेट लिखते हैं ना इसमें पेपर में, उसको डेटिंग बोलते हैं. सो मैंने एक बार गलती से बोल दिया था टीचर को कि मैम व्हाट अबाउट द डेटिंग पार्ट, एंड शी इज लुकिंग एट मी लाइक व्हाट. तो ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. सो आई टोल्ड माय फादर कि भाई मेरे को ब्रेक लेना है एंड आई वांट टू फोकस ऑन माय कॉलेज.
Okay. Yeah.
Which I didn't want to focus. I wanted to have a blast again.
अच्छा.
So I got to college, and unbelievably, theater just walks into my life. I did a street play for Malhar, and I experienced a live audience reaction for the first time. I get slapped in the play, and audience was like, whoa. And that made me feel something I can't describe. Like, for an actor to have reaction is what they're living for. आज कैमरा आ गए हैं, पहले कैमराज नहीं होते थे ना. पहले तो स्टेज पे नाटक वगैरह होता था. So they used to have live reaction. It was a one-on-one between 500 people and one person and whoever the play was with, where they used to connect. And that's how expressing and theatre used to be. अभी तो फिल्में आ गई है, कैमराज है, performances enhance किए जा सकते हैं, everything, but still there is a connection. People watch films and they're like, wow यार मजा आ गया. They're laughing, they're crying, they're feeling it. So theatre is that old school thing that I felt. And I was like, yaar, theatre hai kya? I started again, as usual, indulging into it, reading what is theatre. Out of the blue, I kid you not, I've not made a single call. My mother calls me, 2016 ki baat hai ye. I'm in my second year degree, SYGC. SY degree, BMM. My mom calls me and she's like, Darshil, NCPA से phone आया. And they want to do a play with you. I'm like, मेरे साथ play क्यों करना? Because I had by then realized कि theatre जो करते लोग are the veterans, 30 years experience वाले. I'm 0 years experience. तो क्या है? So I was like, why me? And then I go and meet the directors and they're absolute youngsters like you and me here, like shorts में मिलने गए हैं, hanging, and I'm like, theatre ये थोड़ी है. I thought theatre is a थोड़ा old man game. They're like, no boss, this is a youngster thing and we are bringing the revolution. Let's do this. And that made me go on the path of theatre from 2016 till the pandemic. Of course, there's a gap. And after the pandemic. But the amount of self-discovery I've had when I've done theatre, the amount of the experiences I've had, the surety that I got as to why I want to be an actor, how it has formulated my speaking, my interacting with people, my approach towards the character, and every other thing. Because after theatre, after the pandemic, theatre थोड़ा dicey space में चल गया था. तो I got back to films. I started auditioning. ये वो थोड़ा बहुत चालू हुआ. I did some films after that. My approach changed completely. And that is where it made me, like, life has been so, मतलब it's been a two-way process only. Like, life भी देता है ऐसे opportunities. I've also responded to that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And then it made me understand that, boss, ये break मैंने लिया है from films allowed me to get into theatre.
So it's by choice that you want
Yeah.
this to be your path.
It's gonna be. It's so I've decided this that I'm gonna be seen in all formats of acting. You make it web shows, you make it your theatrical big screens entertainment, and you make it stage on stage theater because it completes me as an actor. You know वो जो एक होता है ना कि आज लोग ऐसे सिलेक्ट करते हैं मुझे थिएटर नहीं करना है पैसा ज़्यादा नहीं है थिएटर में
हाँ.
glamour नहीं है major reasons people
Yeah.
do this. Today, people are realizing how theater helps. So there are people who've called me and be like, "I want to try theater, Darshi." I'm like, "Come on, let's make something together." I'm always excited. So and they're like, "Okay, मैं web show करना चाहता हूँ, मैं digital करना चाहता हूँ." This is how they talk. As an actor, your job is to act. Your job is not to कि भाई मैं select करूँगा मुझे क्या करना है.
हाँ.
You're getting work. Yeah, of course. Select who you're working with. वो select करना कि हाँ, it's a decent script. You're aligning with that script.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ टाइम पास भी आ गया होगा. There's another side to this.
Yeah.
Where some time pass work will come towards you, which will be like, what is this? Why am I doing this?
Yeah.
So that you select. But you should not select like this कि मैं ये करूँगा, ये करूँगा, ये करूँगा. As an actor, you should feel complete and trust me, everything adds to your experience. So I forgot your question. I've gone into this biopic mode of mine. So yeah.
But what is your sort of where are you at right now career-wise in terms of what you want to achieve? If you have some ambitions, goals, or you just want to take it day by day. What's your where do you want to be and where are you at right now?
I am nowhere right now. So I've stopped thinking like this. ये जो
Okay.
linear thought है ना हमारा कि गाड़ी 0 to 100 जाती है.
हाँ.
I've stopped all that because
Okay.
that ruins your mind. You will think, "Arey, I'm now at 26. I'm 20. I'm 27 now.
Yeah.
I'm 27 years old. What have I done? 27 के age में किसने debut किया था? ये वो. You're thinking all these things.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Think on what work you have in your hand. Work on becoming that person where you align with characters that are coming your way.
Yeah.
Why you want to think about मैं कहाँ हूँ मेरे career में, मैं कहाँ पहुँचना चाहता हूँ. Yes, the goal is what I mentioned to you initially, that I want to leave a lasting impact on society, on people, inspire people and make them enjoy कि भाई life में मजा है. See, the pandemic has helped actors. I'll tell you why. Because people now are looking for entertainment. उनको देखना है कि यार तुम कब एंजॉय करा सकते हो. एंड लिटिल बिट ऑल्सो इफ यू मेड देम हैप्पी दे आर लाइक अरे वाओ यार मजा आ गया. सो आई एम एट द प्लेस आई वांट टू बी दैट ओके पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर पीपल हु आर मेकिंग देम हैप्पी. आई वांट टू मेक पीपल हैप्पी. आई वांट टू लीव अ लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट. सो आई एम लुकिंग एट डूइंग एज मच वर्क एज पॉसिबल राइट नाउ. आई हैव स्टॉप्ड थिंकिंग के वेयर एम आई. ऑफ कोर्स द गोल लाइक आई सेड टू यू इज दैट the best case scenario, I want to be the number one actor in the world. I want to be the number, not just India, everywhere. You want to leave a lasting impact on society, not just India, everywhere around the world. But you need to take those baby steps. Present में रहो ना, वो सपने में घूम जाओगे ना, then nothing's going to happen. You are just going to be, okay, ideas. It's all going to be in my mind. This again, I might be overexposing theatre, but that's what it's taught me. Execute. तुम सोच रहे हो मुझे ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है. You've analyzed it. You've gone to the nit-grits of your homework. But then when you're on stage, तब क्या? Were you able to do it? I recently, had come across an character I'd seen who was slightly autistic.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, I can analyze this character well. Okay, उसने कहाँ से ये सब किया है? Can I do it? That's the question. If I can do it, it adds to my skill set. So I was like, no, okay, so let me absorb as much as I can. So currently, if you'll ask me where I am in my life, I'm absorbing. And I'll
Okay.
keep doing that for the rest of my life. Because that brings out, like me talking to you right now, is all the absorption I've had over the last, I don't know how many years, is I'm sharing with you today.
When you say you want to be the number one actor in the world, what does that mean? Does it mean glamour? Does it mean money? Does it mean fame? Does it mean work satisfaction? Does it mean variety of roles? What does it
Variety
mean for Darshil?
Variety of roles. I think...
But is it only variety of? What's like the honest answer in
See,
terms of where you want to be?
I'll be absolutely honest with you, okay?
Yeah.
It's but obvious that you have the money, the fame, and everything playing in your head, right?
Okay.
But why are you doing it? Justified, right?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, there is a way where you do okay work and you get a lot of fame and a lot of money.
Correct. Yeah. Absolutely.
But that person in their head knows it's not justified. And that's his battle to fight or her battle to fight. For me, whatever I do has to be justified. Me being here right now is justified. I'm like, okay, I want to do this. I want to
Yeah.
talk. It's justified. So whatever I do in my life, and whatever perks it brings to me has to be justified enough. And to justify
to
that,
earn it.
you have to earn it. And to earn it, I want to play these variety of roles. I want to play an autistic kid someday. I want to play a different character. I want to play a hero, a macho South kind. वो जो दिखाते हैं, I want to do that. Why not? Let's try and let's see what works. With the right heart, the right intent, the right storytelling and the technical stuff, you have a good film in hand. There are actors who you'll see play all this entire language, and it's worked for them. ऐसा है ही नहीं, because they're right intent. उनका वो एक है जो उनको push करता है, वो that power. So for me is what I've thought in my life, that I can, like, if I have the influence to influence one person, I have the power to influence everybody. तो वो भी बस मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. How
How important is it for you to? The reason I'm asking is because there are two types of actors, right? One is the method actor who goes very deep into understanding the character. For example, Daniel Day-Lewis, who will like walk on sets with a wheelchair if he's playing like a crippled person. And then there are the other actors whom we will not name, but who play literally the same character in every movie, right? So where do you stand, and how important it is for you to craft your own identity?
See, I'll tell you something. Method acting and acting overall is a subjective thing. It can be molded. Very average acting can be molded as the best acting performance in the world.
Okay.
And very, very, very good, nuanced, layered acting can be like, okay, हाँ, जो भी. Not get the recognition it deserves. The idea, and also method acting for the matter of fact, ये मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि ये वापस एक ट्रेंडी टर्म है. Method acting, it's like defining happy. Not define happy. For example, it's acting is actually an emotion, because I'll tell you, it makes you a different person altogether. हर एक एक्टर ये पूरी जिंदगी में जो भी ये देख रहा है, जो जहाँ तक ये पहुंचे मेरी 50 साल के बाद की लाइफ में भी, ये दिस इंटरव्यू विल रिलेट टू दिस व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दैट every actor has been a method actor in their life.
In some way.
In some way. Because method acting is nothing but living that character.
Correct.
You become a method actor when the cameras are rolling. Yeah, you're not. I'm not being Darshil when I'm playing Ishan. Although there are similarities.
Yeah.
I'm Ishan when the camera's rolling, or whatever I've played after that in my life. Recent characters that I've specifically played. I'm not that. I'm not myself. I'm playing. So that's method acting only. I'm living the character.
Yeah.
Now depends on your approach towards it.
Correct.
तुम बिहाइंड द कैमरा क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा रिसर्च क्या, एक्सेंट पकड़ना है. तो दैट्स अ रीसेंट फिल्म आई डिड वेयर आई एम एन ईस्ट दिल्ली गाय.
Okay.
तो वो फुकरा इंसान टाइप होता है ना, वो नहीं कराता दैट स्पेस. तो आई हैड टू कैच दैट कैरेक्टर. नॉट दैट इजी, बट वो अभी नाउ फॉर मी टू प्ले समथिंग लाइक दिस इन ईस्ट दिल्ली, थोड़ा स्कैमस्टर काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. Visualize, yeah, that's what you're thinking. How would that look like?
Yeah.
Exactly. When I was thinking, how would that look like? So I worked behind it. The
so,
look.
So you do work.
You should. I mean, every actor does it.
Okay.
And for people that you mentioned, like Daniel Day-Lewis, for example, उनको वो मेथड एक्टिंग का एनवायरनमेंट भी दिया जाता है कि सर कैरेक्टर में है, उनको कोई बुलाना मत. And he will come with his chadi or whatever he does, and he does it. But today method acting उतना trendy और थोड़ा commercialize किया गया है, and that's possibly why he retired. Because he realized कि अभी ऐसा genre नहीं है. अभी सब अपना अपना कर रहे हैं. अभी film making has reached that advanced stage जहाँ पे not method acting को भी method acting दिखाया जा सकता है.
अच्छा.
Where it comes to what you were saying, where I'm getting to, okay, people are playing the same person in every film because now they're looking at it from a business perspective.
Correct.
This is working for me, boss. And why not?
If it's working, then why not?
Why not?
Obviously.
Problem क्या है? हाँ, audience बोर हो गए तो नहीं आएगी थिएटर
नहीं
के लिए.
आएगी.
तो कुछ नया करो फिर.
हाँ.
Then they will do new things that is working for them. वो उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है. The idea is कि कहाँ लोगों को तुम बात करा रहे हो. Discussion कहाँ create हो रहे हो. Any film in life will do exceedingly well if it's discussed.
Okay.
Positive, negative, जो बोलना है.
You're saying when the audience discusses the movie.
audience.
Yeah. So
And
they'll
इसमें
talk
सबसे
about
बड़ी चीज क्या डिस्कस की जाती है? एक्टिंग. एक्टर कौन है? स्टोरी वोरी आती है, बट पहले एक्टिंग.
सामने में तो एक्टर ही है.
स्टोरी अच्छी हो गई बाय चांस तो भी एक्टर को ही जाएगा कि एक्टर अच्छा था. You know what I'm saying?
एक्टर ने कैरेक्टर अच्छा
Actor
पकड़ा.
ने पकड़ा.
हाँ.
Sometimes the story is not that good, but still the actor is noticed कि उसका performance बहुत अच्छा है उस film में. You'll see a layman talk like this.
Correct.
You know कि acting उसकी बहुत अच्छी है इस film में. But I've understood this, that for me, I'm a guy what I've learned recently is that you need to research your character, live it a little bit here and there in your boundaries, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा live करने गए तो उसके थोड़े problem हो जाते हैं. You become that person. Like for example, the brashness that my East Delhi character has, वो brashness मेरी life में आ गई थी. तो मैं ऐसे बात करता था ना, I used to tell my people कि मैं थोड़ा I'm getting out of character, give me some time. वो होता है, every actor goes through this, कि you're still in character. If I'm playing a younger character, that bachkaniyat will stay a little bit.
Yeah, because
It'll
you are
take
not
me
able to
time to-
separate it
Exactly. So that's why people take gaps after shooting a film.
to get into reset their mind. Tell me something. The fact that you did Tare Zameen Par when you were 10 years old, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Now, let me explain why I'm asking this. Now, there are, for example, actors like Macaulay Culkin in Home Alone. The guy, I think his name is Haley something in Sixth Sense.
The Terminator kid.
The Terminator. These guys, they had such iconic roles, right? Like everybody knows Macaulay Culkin from Home Alone or the Sixth Sense guy and Terminator, right? But they did not go on to have a successful career, maybe because people saw them and sort of pigeonholed them into a certain sort of a mindset. Ki, "Oh, ye to bacha hai." Now, from that point of view, I'm asking, because you expressed earlier that probably you would still go into acting even if you didn't do Tare Zameen Par.
Maybe, yeah.
So the fact that it happened and it became so good, so famous, was that a good thing in retrospect or not such a good thing? And again, it's a कि क्या हो सकता था वाला
Alternate universe stuff.
alternate universe stuff. But
Multiverse.
But what is it something that you ever think about, or
I don't.
you don't think about it and you
Not
think
at
it's a
all.
good thing?
I always think, see, if it would have not worked out for me, if I was not happy,
Yeah.
I think that's the bottom line. And I think that is in any job anybody does in their lives. If you're not happy ना, boss नहीं चल रहा है.
हाँ वो तो it will not work only.
Yeah, मतलब now for example, I'll give an example. मैंने ये 5 साल से किया, मतलब 2007-6 में किया मैंने. 2011 तक या 12 तक मैंने non-stop फिल्मों का शूटिंग किया till my school का खत्म हुआ.
Child roles.
2012, yeah. And then 2013 I got into college. So तभी थोड़ा film shooting पे halt आया. 5 years था. If by the 5th year end, I'm not feeling happy. I'm feeling a little bored. I'm like, क्या है? What is this? क्या चिल्ला रहे लोग? Why are people so stressed? Relax, bro. Like if I'm taking that approach, or rather if I'm feeling that, then it's not working for me. It worked for me. My curiosity stayed.
Yes.
I was like, नहीं इसमें और है. And I'll tell you something very scary, deadly actually. ये curiosity infinite है. In a film,
हाँ.
the limits are boundaryless. There's no chance
हाँ.
for a person it's working out for, or for a person who knows it's for him, that they'll ever get bored of
Yeah. So,
filmmaking or talking for me.
it's you've got this, and it is your life basically. Yeah. So what are the things you're doing now? You're talking about your future projects or the current project that you're working on. Can you tell the audience a little bit about what are the things you're working on now?
So fun stuff. I mean, the exciting time in my life. It feels like I'm very old, but I'm actually not that old.
You're not very old anyway.
No, the thing is that I
Or you
sometimes
feel old because you've been doing it for so long.
Yeah, I mean, you know, when I say stuff, like पहले ऐसा होता था 4 साल पहले फिल्म आई थी तारे ज़मीन पर. And now that's become 18 years back.
Yeah.
That's almost like a teenage adulting, you know. एक बंदा born होके खत्म हो गया उसका after my film released. 18 years के बाद, you know. So I'm like, okay, time has come out, but okay. So for me, the thing is that the pandemic happened and theatre. I was thinking of continuing theatre and going with the flow as how life was taking me, and I was pretty happy going to different stages, different auditoriums, different audiences. North, south, east, west, everything internationally. In fact, UAE, Muscat, Oman, किया हमने. And I was like, ठीक है, चल रहा है. Life throws a curveball. Pandemic happens, which most of us was a curveball for us, you know. And I was like, okay, what do I do? And I got corona.
Acha.
For a month. And that time I very creatively an energized decision was taken कि इसको phone के बिना रखेंगे. So I was
Acha.
locked in my room without the phone.
Why is that?
So firstly to get off the addiction, like जो एक constant scrolling रहता है, and secondly to get to real clarity in your mind. Trust me, I'm saying this. Spend one day without the phone, out of network. जो होता है actually. I was right on Kanpur recently, and I was out of network. First day I was like, shit, yeah, no network, no network, no network. Second day, I didn't even touch my phone. I was living. I was in the moment. मेरे को दिख रहे थे कितने झाड़ थे मेरे आसपास, कौन क्या खाना खा रहा है, कौन खाना क्या खा सकता हूँ. My decision making became clearer. Even like, I'll give you an example. Something as simple as going through your bathroom routine, you know. You're going to brush, you have a bath, you just freshen up and stuff. I was able to do it with more clarity.
Yeah.
So this experience happened for the first time in my life in the pandemic.
हाँ.
फोन गया तो आई स्टार्टेड लिविंग. आई वाज लाइक हाँ ओ अच्छा विंडो के बाहर ये बिल्डिंग्स है.
Correct.
यू नो ये सब. People can call it nonsensical information. For me, I call it observing observation. So I look at it like that. And also some books were given to me to read. Then I did thoda writing and all. I writed कि मेरे को IPL is coming now, so I need to watch the matches. Please give me my phone back.
Okay.
So my dad is like, okay, you behaved well now. So I'll give you the phone. So
Yeah.
2020 IPL happened in thoda towards the end, if you remember, October November-ish में हुआ था. So I was very happy. What an amazing time I've had. Me, my IPL, my phone. That gave me clarity about me wanting to be a more serious actor. सीरियस एक्टर का मतलब ये नहीं कि सीरियस रोल्स, सीरियसली
Pursuing.
परस्यू एक्टिंग. थिएटर है बट फिर आगे कुछ करना है लाइफ में, फिल्म करनी है, वेब सीरीज करना है, क्या है लाइफ. द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग अराउंड यू बॉस. स्टेज तू शायद बेस्ट एक्टर स्टेज का बन सकता है बट तेरे सामने 10 पीपल आके देखेंगे. डोंट यू वांट टू रीच अ बिगर ऑडियंस.
Correct.
क्या करना है. सो लाइक नहीं, नाउ existential crisis kicks in and I was like, okay, I need to now get into films, into web shows. क्या कर सकते हैं. जो भी कॉन्टैक्ट्स थे वो कॉन्टैक्ट्स एक्टिवली नहीं थे हमारे. सो आई कॉल्ड अप जितना जो याद था एंड वी ट्राइड अ फ्यू थिंग्स. लाइक ओके, इट विल वर्क आउट. आई ऑलवेज हैड द बिलीफ इट विल वर्क आउट बिकॉज आई फील दैट आई एम बॉर्न टू एक्ट फॉर सम रीजन. सो आई फेल्ट कि जो होना है वो होना ही है. डर की बात नहीं है. अंडरलाइन. And Sumit Nagdev, he's making a film. He's looking for a film which is an independent experimental film, not your mainstream feature. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Of course, it was a feature film, but not meant for commercial spaces. It was more of an expression, a dance movie.
Okay.
Dealing with mental health. So about how a guy who is faced with every single mental health problem in the world uses dance to get out of it, to deal with that problem. That's the first film I shot. And creatively, the film is called Ho Ja Mukt.
Ho Ja Mukt.
It's released on MX Player.
Okay.
And it has me having my hair burnt, going bald, banging my head on a wall, breaking mirrors, jumping around, doing stunts, running around an entire city. Absolute madness, you know. But the beauty of the film is that everything is happening inside him.
Okay.
Outside him, he's just dead. And how does the outside come to life?
Okay.
Through
I
dance.
understand.
So that was the film. Beautiful experience for me. Tough watch for me. I was like, scary stuff. But it happens to a lot of people. This is how your inner core feels when you're in a troubled situation, when you're depressed, when you're anything.
Yeah.
But you can deal with it. Trust me. Any form of what I learned from that film, because even the therapist in the film says this, that boss, तुम तुम्हारे अंदर से healing power निकाल सकते हो. बाहर का सब help आ जाएगा. अंदर का power is, तुम yes बोलो अंदर से तो होगा.
Yeah.
So that's what I learned. Then I did my a Gujarati film called Kutch Express
Okay.
with Ratna Pathak Shah ma'am. For me, that experience was two reasons. Gujarati, I'm a Gujarati. So I wanted to try something new. Amazing news that Indian cinema is blurring the lines of language.
Correct.
South films are doing good.
Yeah.
Bollywood films also doing good in South.
Yeah.
कभी some Gujarati film becomes trending. Some other film will become trending. तो ये सब हो रहा था. तो I was like, let's try यार, देखते हैं. Characters fun to do. कच्छ में shoot है, कच्छ में जाने मिलेगा. Let's do it. And it was Ratna Pathak Shah ma'am's first Gujarati film.
Okay.
Her debut happened in 1972, 1 year before my dad was born.
Yeah.
And now, what are the odds of my first Gujarati film and her first Gujarati film being the same film? So that was just a very happy inner feeling for me.
Yeah.
Learning experience again, because sometimes you're comfortable with Gujarati in real life, but on camera you're like, zzz, zzz, atak jayega, gaadi, train halt ho jayegi. So I learned that. That had a theatrical release in 2023 starting. Had a great run, 75 days I think we had a run in the
Nice.
theater. So good fun, people spoke about it. Specifically in our Gujarati community, everyone watched it.
Yeah.
Good fun. And then I did 2 films which are yet to release. One is called Tibba. Then I did a film called Phule.
Phule.
That's a biopic on Jyoti Ba Phule, the freedom fighter. He was the second guy. He was, I think, he was only the second person after Mahatma Gandhi to get the title of Mahatma.
Okay.
Uske baad this thing got canned. So again, superb experience. But I'm playing a 30-year-old in that.
Okay.
So I had to like grow my beard, muchi baal, gain weight.
Huh.
I'll show you a picture of it after this is done. I can't show it now on camera, but I'll show it to you how it looks. So that's another film. That might also be a theatrical release possibly.
This year.
Yeah. Then 2 more films which have released. Hookers Bookers was a cricket film released last year. And there's one film I've shot with the East Delhi character.
Yeah.
That was a ball to play. My hair is like fully down यहाँ तक, full that वो जो कहते हैं ना हमारी लैंग्वेज में छपरी कैरेक्टर जैकेट वैकेट पहन के टैटू है यहाँ किंग का टैटू है उसको.
And that movie is called?
The name is not decided yet.
Oh, it's not decided.
So yeah, the list is not ending, but patience की बात है.
Yeah.
And the timing is very important.
Timing and platform.
Platform and timing. Yes.
Platform and timing.
Sometimes very, very good films just come under the radar and bounce.
Yeah. We're very excited to see what kind of things you come up with.
Yeah.
Any last words that you want to share with
Words. Last words.
With
No
the-
last words, guys. This is just a start. But I'm looking forward to knowing more about you. And,
Sure.
There'll be podcast too. And keep in touch. And
Yeah.
it was fun chatting here.
This was great. Amazing. Thank you so much for coming. And it was great meeting you. Sorry.